reason we just got struck by lightning.
You said what?
I'm pretty deep, and we got struck by lightning.
Somebody got shocked by lightning?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know where you are?
We're out on the ridge.
You're where? You're on the peaks.
Yes, the very top, hopefully like the very top.
At the very top? I
don't know if he's breathing.
Okay, can you tell?
I don't think he is.
You don't think he's breathing? Okay. All right, I want you to stay on the phone with me, okay? We're going to get people going. What's your name? I'm sorry, what's your name? From Flagstaff 911. Hi. Can you tell me anything else about that subject?
He's not breathing. He's losing color.
He's losing color? Can we start CPR on him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chest compressions or mouth to mouth?
You say that one more time.
Chest compressions or mouth to mouth?
Let's do compressions.
I use him on 5 visits.
Let me know when you're ready. Okay, all right, yeah. Let me know when you get him on his back. He's on his back? Okay, does he know how to do CPR? He does know how?